Hello all my dear students, welcome back to your online classes. This is your Tehzib sir and this is your third maths class. So already we started a revision of Essay 2 exam my dear all students. In last lecture what we have done, first of all we recall this lecture, we recall this all things and we do the revision of this all equation and then we will go into new topic or new question. My points what I am telling you. So as per we know, as per I was telling you, we are told you we are going to what? We are going to revision of Essay 2 exam. How many chapters will come in Essay 2? There are 8 to 9. Chapter number 8 to chapter number not 9. Chapter number 8 to chapter number 12 will come. Okay, so I am going to give a portion of Essay 2 exam. Essay 2 exam, there are chapter number 8 to how many chapters will come till chapter number 12. So note down these important things my dear students in your book. I hope you all are understood. Essay 2 exam, chapter number 8 to chapter number 12. Now we are going to do only the revision and do the practice of all sum and all question answers that we have all done in exercise. Okay, so note down these things my dear students in your book. Do fast. Essay 2 exam chapter number 8 to 12 will come in our Essay 2 exam. So note down this all my dear students, note down this all things in your book dear. Do fast. Hope you are understood what I am telling you. And last lecture as the following we have done. So this question first of all we are going to do the revision. So now let's do the revision. Revision of Essay 2 exam. How many chapters will come? Chapter number 8 to 12. Which chapter will come? Chapter number 8 to 12. So mark down this question with me all here. Match the following. Match the following. Note down this all things my dear students in your book. And then here we are going to write the answer. No need to a match. Okay, we are going to write the correct answer. Put a format in your book. In your book, make a format. Then we will going to start our question. Okay, dear one. First is 1 year. The second is February. Then after 4th is December. Then after 5th one is 1 week. And then here is 6th is the first day of week. my point, all of you. So note down this all question and then will decide. We are going to write the all answer. Note down these things, my dear, all in your book. I hope you all are understood. And then now we will going to solve this answer. So do fast solve, do all dear students. 1 year, February, September, December, 1 week and first day of the week. So in 1 year, how many days will come? We have to return them. Then February, how many days will come in February month? Then September, how many days will come in September? In December, so how many days come in December? In 1 week there are how many days? First day of the week we have to mention. Now all things, my dear all students. So first of all, you note down this this question and make a format of answer as like that. Put a heading over there, all dear. So now we will going to write the answer, my dear students. First, in 1 year, how many days will come in 1 year? In 1 year, there are 365 days will come. Put my point, all of you. Note down this all things here. 1 year is equal to 365 days. My points all here, note down this all things. In February, how many days are maximum in February? So 20 or 29 days. 28 or 29 days. So my points all of you. Then after in September, how many days of September? B0, 30 days will come in September. In December, in last day, which day we are going to celebrate? 31st December. So 31st, 31 days. In 1 week there are how many days? 7 days. How many days will come in the 1 week? 7 days. And which day of the first day of the week? Monday. Monday is the day of the first week. So note down these all things, my dear students, in your book. We have done this question and then after we will going to learn this second question. So note down these all things, my dear, in your book. Do fast. I hope you all are understood. And compulsory you have to write all things here. You have to make all things, my dear students, in your book. What I am telling you, you have to make all things. Means a format, name of the subject, division of essay 2 exam as the following. And then after number patterns we are going to learn over here. First of all, after completing this question we are going to learn double the weights. Means find the weight and fill the table. So note down all these things here. I hope you all are written, my dear students. So do fast. Then after we will going to solve the second question. Second question is what? Find the weight and fill the table. Means double the weight. We have to find the double weight. I hope you have done this question. Now we are going to learn the second question, my dear all. You have to draw the pattern with me. Wait. So my class, all of you. You have to make a table as like me in your book here. What you have to do, you have to make a table with me. Double of the weight and then after half of the weight. I hope you all are know the meaning of all things. Note down these all things find here in your book. Do fast as per I was told you. We have to make all things. Okay. Weight. W-E-I-G-H-T. Weight in a kg. Which unit we are going to be from here? Kg. What is the meaning of kg? Kg means kilogram. What my dear students? Kg means kilogram. Double of the weight. Then after the third, half of the weight. Half of the weight. So note down this all things, my dear students. you have to mention all things in your book. Do fast. Note down these patterns, and you have to make the patterns with the help of pencil and scale. Okay, what is the question? Find the weight and fill the tables. Weight in a kilograms. Which units we are going to use? Here we are going to use the kilograms. First of all, I am going to write the questions. Given the weight, we have to double means what? We have to multiply. And half of the weight means we have to do the division. Okay, so now you have to note down this all things. First of all, note down the question: 4 kilograms. Then after the 18 kilogram. Then after 13 kilogram. Then after 10 kilogram. Then after 8 kilogram. I hope you all are understood. Note down these all things here. So what we have to do in this question, in this question we have to do the double of the weight and half of the weight. What, my dear students? Double of the weight and half of the weight. So do fast all here. Make the table. Weight in kilograms. So that all weight is in our first column. And we have to do the double. What is the meaning of double? Means given the weight, we have to do a multiply with 2. It's make a double. And half means we have to do the division. Okay. But simply we know what is a half of 10? It's 5. What is a half of 20? It's 10. So as like that we are going to do the orally all question answer. Understood? Note down these all things, my dear students, in your book. Do fast. So now here is what, my dear. Here now we are going to solve this question. 4 kilogram. Actually it is 4 kilograms. So what we have to do? 4. Okay. So 4 of double. So 4 plus 4. How many, my dear students? 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Okay. So 8 kilogram. And what? Half of the weight. Or what is the half of the 4? 2 and 2. Okay, 2 and 2 is equal to 4. What? Half of the weight, 2 kilograms. Original weight is a 4 kilogram. Half is 2 kilogram and double is 8. So note down this answer, and as like that we are going to solve this all questions. So try to do the solving this question number 2. Try to solve question number 2 with your own self. And you have to do this question in homework compulsory, my dear all. What I am telling you, So do all fast, my dear. Then now we are going to do the second question. What was the second question? 80. Okay, what is the double of 80? 80 plus 80. Okay, 8 plus 8. So 16. 6 here and 1 is a form of carry. And after 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Is equal to 36. So note down this all things, my dear students. 36. Otherwise, we are going to do as like that. 18 plus 18, 36. 18 to the 36. As like that, we have to do solve. We have to do this question. And what is the half of 18? So we have to do the division by 2. Okay, in table number 2, 18 will come here. So where 2 nines are 80. So answer is what? 9. So half of 18 is 9 kilogram, 9 kg. So my points all. Note down this all this question in your book here. Answer, you have to write the answer in your book. And rough work you also do. Rough work you also write beside your question. Whenever we are going to do the revision or for this question answer, that time you remember this question or method. Now further we are going to solve question number C. Question number C is what? 30 kg. So 30 plus 30. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So answer is what? 16 kg. And what is the half of 30, my dear students? In table number 2, 3 will come not. So 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 and then bring it down 0. Okay. In table number 2, 10 will become here. But where 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So answer is what? 50. Okay. So my dear students, half of the weight is what? 15 kg. 13 is half of 15 kg and 30 is double is 16 kg. Note down these all important things, my dear, in your book. I hope you all are understood. And now last 2 questions we have left only. So last 2 questions we have left only. So 10. What is the double of 10? So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So answer is what? 20. Put my point. And what is the half of 10? So 10. Half of 10 divided by 2. In table number 2, 10 will become years. But where? 5. With 5. So 2 5s are 10. With 5 5. Okay, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 and 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So answer is what? 5 kilograms. Put my point for all of you. Understood? Now the last 8 kilograms. So what is the double of 8? 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. 8 2s are 16. And what is the half of 8? 4. 4 kilograms. So note down this all things, all answer, double of the weight and half of the weight. First we have to make instructions, write the instructions, find the weight and fill the tables. And then after weight in kilogram, double of the weight, half of the weight, double of the weight and half of the weight. My point all of you. So note down these all things, all important things right here. And then my dear students, in the next lecture we are going to solve other chapters revision. But my points, all of you, I hope you all are understood. And my dear students, now I will give you homework. What we have done in this session, today's session, both questions we have done. Revision of match the following and find the weight and fill the table. Okay, you have to write the two times this table in your notebook. Weight in kilograms, double of the weight and half of the weight. But my points understood? Hope you all are understood, my dear students, and thank you so much dear for watching this video.